Hello, Internet friends. I'm Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. Thanks so much for watching and participating and growing this channel. I wanted to reach out today and just kind of give you an update. You may have noticed that the last couple weeks I've been absent. We kind of had a personal catastrophe happen the end of June. A tree fell on our home, and so we've been in a state of panic, shock, flux, and trying to figure things out. Thankfully, nobody is hurt, so that was good. But we are having to do a remodel on our own home that wasn't the extent of which wasn't fully planned for. So. That being said, I will be having much less time to produce these videos. There's quite a few videos already in my library, but I wanted to say that I'm still here, haven't fallen off the face of the earth, and will continue to try to interact with you. I've enjoyed, some of you have reached out by phone call, by email, asking questions, etc. And I'll do my best to respond. But at this time, I'm going to have to kind of limit my time to paid projects. Just trying to manage everything. So thank you for your understanding. Still be around and still participating as I can, but that's where I'm at for the close foreseeable future at this time. Once again, I'll put in a plug. If you like the information that is up here on YouTube, please, would you consider a small donation? You can leave a donation at paypal.me/designbuildsolutions. And a big shout out to the few of you who have done that here recently. Thank you so much. Anyway, that's where we're at. That's what's going on. I hope all is well with you. I hope you're safe and healthy. And I look forward to getting back into this more as time and workload permits. Thanks. Take care. Have a great day.